In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change voice language in Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you own Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order through Steam or any other digital storefront, you will be able to change between all of the officially supported languages for the game. So, if you want to check which languages are supported, you can visit any digital store page, for example Steam, and in here you will find the 13 supported languages. So they have full audio and interface support for English, French, Italian, German, Spanish, Japanese, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, and finally Spanish. And these other ones here, they are going to have full interface subtitles and language support, but they don't have full audio. So keep that in mind. Now, for you to actually switch between all of these, all that you have to do is open the specific launcher where you are playing Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. So an example would be Steam or the EA app, and find the game. You will notice that I am doing this process with Monster Hunter World. I apologize, I don't own Star Wars on this account at the moment, but just follow the same steps. Right-click Star Wars, go over to Properties, and immediately you will be able to find Language. So all that you have to do here is choose from the available languages. Now, of course, this process is being done on PC, but if you are doing this on a PlayStation or Xbox console, then usually you would have to download the language packs, and in more extreme cases, you would have to change the system language for your device. Regardless, just choose any of the language packs available here, and once you select any of the languages, there might be a quick update, and after that is sorted, when you open the game, everything will be changed, including the interface and the full audio if the game supports the language that you selected, and you will be able to change it between all of the languages available for Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order specifically. If you own the game outside of any digital storefront like Steam or the EA Store, you are still able to change this, but you will have to alter game files. I hope I was able to help you on how to change voice language in Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.